Since it's Gavin Graham's birthday, I'm going to party.
Holy crap, God! Why would somebody do this to me? Somebody hates my life. Why? Who's gonna play music that loud at this time of night?
I trusted you. I gave you so much of my attention and time, and this is how you repay me? Traitor! Villain! Unfair!
This is the best party ever.